In this video, we will learn how to add configuration. I will select front plane here. Just select the square. This rectangle length is 140 and height is 50. And then give two circles. Add center line and mirror this entity. So give the dimension as 20 and distance as 20. So this is done here. Now we will exit the sketch, extrude 10 mm. Okay, so this is done here. Now I have to add configuration. Just click on this part model and add configuration. So here you have to add name, or just give a name. Description, if you want to add, you can add. Now if you want to add the color for this particular configuration, then we can add like yellow. Okay, so this one was default one. Now you can see this was our default one and this one is our newly created configuration. So here I can change my sketch. Only I have to change the dimension here, so I will change the dimension. Now here you have to add this dimension to this configuration. First write the dimension 10 mm, this configuration 10 mm to this configuration. Check this. Then this dimension as 40 mm. This configuration. Check. And this as 50. Okay. Exit. Now you can check the default and the newly added configuration. Now you can compare this. This is how we can add configuration. Now this was about sketch. Now if you want to add some features in configuration, you can add. This was default one. This was our newly created one. Now I will create another configuration. Now I will set the color as red. Now here I have to add some square cut, so I will go for sketch here. this configuration. You have to always do this configuration. Now go to extrude cut. Now you can check the configuration. This was our default one, this was second one, and this is our third one. Now if you go to second one, you can see there is extrude cut is present here, but it has been suppressed here. This way you can create configuration.